This feels so real. My hands, my voice, everything moves exactly like me. How is this even possible? Leave it. You're seeing Recast in action, Valve. Full body motion, voice cloning, even gestures, all generated in minutes. Pretty wild, right? You're not dreaming. Yo-ho, yo-ho, you're in the future.
What if you could step into any character without green screens, actors, or expensive equipments? That's what exactly Higgsfield Recast does. It doesn't just replace your face, it transforms your entire body. You upload a short video, choose a character, and in seconds you become them. Every gesture, every posture, every hand movement, all perfectly stable. No glitches, no weird distortions, just smooth, cinematic realism. It feels filmed, not faked. Recast gives you full creative control in one place. Full body character swap, advanced motion physics, and expression tracking that looks real. Need your voice? It can clone it. Want a different language? It can dub you in 6 languages, automatically lip synced.
अरे वाह, यह कितना असली लग रहा है। मेरे हाथ, मेरी आवाज, सब कुछ बिल्कुल मेरी तरह।
And background, you can switch between clean studios, cinematic scenes, and styled environment instantly. You can record a video and you can recast it.
This feels so real. My hands, my voice, everything moves exactly like me. How is this even possible?
So, who is it for? For VTubers, you can change your identity without losing your real expressions. For global creators, record once and release in multiple languages. For faceless creators, you can appear on screen while keeping your privacy. For educators and storytellers, switch characters to make your lessons more engaging. For UGC creators and ad makers, produce multiple creative versions fast.
Leave
For
it.
small
You're seeing
studios,
Recast in action, Valve.
you
Full
get
body
VFX
motion, voice
power
cloning,
without
even
hiring
gestures,
actors
all
or building
generated in
sets.
minutes.
Recast
Pretty
isn't
wild,
replacing your
right?
creativity,
You're
it's
not
just multiplying.
dreaming.